copy. Again, it's copy. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about P. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 365. P. Again, it's P. This pronounces one syllable word and it's pronounced as P. The word P pertains to blood. Again, P is the Korean term for blood. How do we write P in Hangul? It is composed of just one syllable, which is composed of just two characters. So the first character is the P character, followed by an E character. So that's how you write P in Hangul. So here are some more details related to P. So in Korean, there is actually a word kopi, which means nosebleed or blood from the nose. So ko means nose and P means blood. So kopi means blood from the nose. And one thing we need to take note of is kopi actually sounds like kopi, which is the Korean term for coffee. So again, we just need to remember kopi with the O is blood from the nose, and kopi with the O sound is the Korean term for coffee. And P from kopi means blood. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know right now that the meaning of kopi is blood from the nose, which happens when someone suffers from nosebleed. And with that, you've just learned P. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 355 to 364. But don't forget our word for today, word number 365, P, which means blood. The first word for our review is word number 364, panmal, which means informal speech. Next word is michida, which means to go crazy. Next word is 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next word is 가장, which means most. Next word is someone, which means wish. Next word is male, which means say it or tell me. Next word for our review is 밤, which means night. And the last word for our review is word number 355, 화장지, which means tissue paper. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.